Everyone, welcome to the Educon Community DBMS Learning Series. So, in this tutorial, we will learn about the data models and its types, and the relational model and its basic structure. So, first of all, what is the data models? So, underlying the structure of a database is the data model. It's a basic concept and a collection of conceptual tools for describing the data and the data relationships and data semantics and consistency constraints. So a data model provides a way to describe the design of a database at the physical, logical, and view level, means the three levels of the data abstraction, which is in the previous tutorial. So now the types of the data model. So there are mainly four types of data models. Those are relational data model, the entity relationship data model, object-based data model, and semi-structured data model. So we will discuss the relational model in detail. The relational model uses a collection of tables to represent the both of the data and the relationships among those data. So each table has multiple columns and each column has a unique name, and each table contains records of a particular type. Each record type defines a fixed number of fields or attributes. The columns of the table correspond to the attributes of record type. Now, the basic structure of relational model is like that. So a relational database consists of collection of tables and each of which is assigned a unique name. So a table of n attributes is a subset of, so n attributes, it is the subset of, so d1, d2, d3, in this way, d of n minus 1, d of n. Okay, where di means here I equals to 1 to n. So it's the domain of attributes. It is the domain of attributes. So consider this table is the account table. So it has the three column headers: account number, branch name, and balance. So we refer to these headers as attributes. So these are the attributes. These are those attributes. And for each attribute, there is a set of permitted values called the domain of that attribute. For the attribute branch name, example, the domain is the set of all branch names. A relation is defined to be a subset of Cartesian product of at least of domains. And tuples are essentially relations. We shall use the mathematical terms relations and tuples in place of the terms of table and row. So we will call the table as the relation and row as the tuple. And a tuple variable is a variable whose domain is the set of all tuples. And the order in which tuples appear in a relation is irrelevant. And since a relation is set of tuples, for all relations R, the domains of all attributes of R be atomic. So a domain is atomic, and if the elements of the domain are considered to be individual unit. Okay, so I think it will be clear to you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe as much as possible for getting more such videos. Thank you.